Are you a U.S. citizen who's looking to file an I-130 immigrant petition for your foreign national spouse? Or are you a foreign national who's looking to file for a green card based on marriage to a U.S. citizen? Now, typically, a one-step petition can be filed if the foreign national is already in the U.S., was lawfully admitted, or qualifies for 245I. What this means is that the citizen files an I-130 petition for the spouse, and the foreign national concurrently files his or her I-45 application for adjustment of status, which is known as the green card application. The advantage is that the foreign national does not have to go overseas to apply for an immigrant visa at the U.S. consulate. He or she can simply stay in the U.S. and complete the immigration process while they're here. Now, some might think that this is the quickest and easiest way to get a green card. However, there are several steps that you must take to ensure that you get your marriage-based green card. The first step, number one, is that you enter into a bona fide marriage. A bona fide marriage is one where the parties enter into marriage with the intent of establishing a life together. It can be based on mutual love and affection. It can be an arranged marriage. It can be based on a mutual desire to raise a family together and have children together. And it can also be based on religious beliefs. So there are many reasons as to why people get married. However, the bottom line is that they must have a mutual intent to establish a life together. A bona fide marriage is the opposite of a sham marriage, a fake marriage, or fraudulent marriage. This is known as marriage fraud. Marriage fraud is where the parties, or one of the parties, enter into marriage solely for or primarily for immigration benefits. This cannot be the basis for getting a green card. If the parties are found to have committed marriage fraud, there are several penalties for that. One of them being that you cannot get a green card based on a sham marriage. So the step one is you must enter into a bona fide marriage to a U.S. citizen to get a marriage-based green card.